Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I have to clean the exterior of this very dirty Dodge truck. Take a look. Right guys, I washed the truck, I've been rinsed off. Now I have to put some protection towards the paintwork. It's been faded, so it needs some extra glossiness and some shine as well. Now I've got a product here made in the UK actually, from uniqueautocareuk. This Hydro Boost. This bottle here is a sealant and it gives that extra protection 3 to 5 months. It's so easy to apply. Just spray it on. You can spray this onto plastic, trim, windows, paintwork. Right, so you leave there to about what, 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure you don't do it in direct sunlight. Now just going to rinse it off. You can see it's already got some protection. So this will last you about 3 to 5 months. Don't worry guys, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can buy this product. So Hydro Boost from uniqueautocareuk, check the link below. Thanks very much guys, and I'll see you in the next one.